Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a spicy and fascinating topic, 15 things every woman does that melt every man's heart in a sexual way. Now let's be real. Attraction isn't always about grand gestures or picture-perfect looks. It's about those subtle, almost instinctive actions that leave a man absolutely captivated. From playful gestures to sensual energy, these are the moments that keep him thinking about you long after you've left the room. So, whether you're here to learn something new or just curious about the magic you already have, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what drives men wild. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more irresistible content. Chapter 1. The Subtle Power of Body Language. First up, let's talk about the silent but powerful language of the body. Ladies, your body speaks louder than words, and these subtle moves can make any man's heart race. 1. The slow, deliberate gaze. When you make eye contact and hold it just a moment longer than usual, it sends an electric signal that says, "I see you." That lingering gaze is seductive and creates a sense of intimacy that's hard to resist. 2. The lip bite. It's simple, yet so effective. Lightly biting or playing with your lip while you're deep in thought, or better yet, during a playful moment, shows confidence and a hint of mystery. It's like an unspoken invitation. 3. The confident walk. A woman who walks with purpose, with her shoulders back and hips swaying naturally, exudes an aura of control and sexiness. It's not just about movement, it's about owning your space and showing that you're comfortable in your skin. 4. The gentle touch. Accidental or intentional. A light touch on his arm, shoulder, or even his hand during conversation can send sparks flying. It's a small gesture, but it creates a powerful connection that lingers in his mind. Chapter 2. The Art of Playful Flirting. Now let's move into the fun and flirty zone. These playful gestures aren't just cute. They're irresistible because they make him feel special and keep him on his toes. 1. The mischievous smile. Not a full grin, but that slight, teasing smirk paired with a twinkle in your eye. It's playful, mysterious, and absolutely magnetic. It's like saying, "I know something you don't." 2. Teasing him lightly. Playful teasing. Whether it's calling him out on a silly habit or challenging him to a friendly competition, builds tension in the best way possible. It shows confidence and keeps the energy fun and light. 3. Flipping your hair. Cliché? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. The way you casually tuck your hair behind your ear or run your fingers through it can instantly grab his attention. It's a classic move that screams femininity and allure. 4. Leaning in during conversations. Closing the physical space between you during a chat, whether at a dinner table or on the couch, creates a sense of intimacy. Add a soft laugh or a slight touch, and it's game over. Chapter 3. Unconscious Acts of Sensuality. Sometimes, the most seductive moments are the ones you don't even realize you're doing. These unconscious acts of sensuality are a big reason why men can't take their eyes off you. 1. Adjusting your outfit. Whether it's fixing your neckline, adjusting your dress, or straightening your jacket, these subtle movements naturally draw attention to your body in a way that feels effortless. 2. Applying lipstick or gloss. The sight of a woman applying lipstick has an almost hypnotic effect. It's feminine, intimate, and naturally draws the eye to your lips. 3. The way you sit or cross your legs. When you sit confidently, perhaps crossing your legs slowly or leaning slightly forward, it's a move that radiates poise and allure. It's graceful, yet subtly provocative. Chapter 4. Emotional Connection and Vulnerability. Let's not forget that what truly melts a man's heart is when you connect with him emotionally. These moments of vulnerability and connection are what make him fall head over heels. 1. Sharing your genuine laughter. A woman who laughs freely and genuinely is incredibly attractive. Laughter not only shows that you're comfortable and confident, but it also builds a connection that feels authentic. 2. Being present in the moment. When you're fully engaged, whether you're listening to him talk about his day or enjoying a shared activity, it shows that you value him. That undivided attention is deeply seductive. 3. Showing appreciation. Sometimes a simple thank you or a compliment like, "You always know how to make me smile," can melt his heart. Gratitude and kindness go a long way in building intimacy. Chapter 5. Confidence and authenticity. Last but not least, nothing is more attractive than a woman who is unapologetically herself. Confidence is sexy, and when you pair it with authenticity, you're absolutely unforgettable. 1. Owning your flaws. Whether it's laughing at your own mistakes or embracing your quirks, men are drawn to women who are real. It's your uniqueness that sets you apart and makes you irresistible. 2. Exuding self-love. When you love yourself and take care of your mind and body, it radiates outward. Confidence is contagious, and it makes you incredibly magnetic to everyone around you. And there you have it, 15 things that every woman does that can melt a man's heart in a sexual and emotional way. Attraction is all about those little moments of connection, confidence, and authenticity. Now it's your turn. Did any of these resonate with you? Drop a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who'd love it, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. And remember, confidence and authenticity are your greatest superpowers. See you in the next video.